To build anything that truly lasts, it takes time.
Remember the Chief Minister Siddaramaiah sparking concerns over COVID vaccines. After shocking incidents of cardiac arrest, the Chief Minister had raised a question. Is there a link between these deaths and COVID-19 vaccinations? He blamed hasty approval and distribution, leading to several medical experts coming out to slam him, saying that such doubts could be detrimental to public health if people start doubting vaccines. But now his own minister has countered him. As per Karnataka's health minister, he said that there is no negative impact of vaccines.
ನಾವೀಗ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಪಬ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಮೋಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು, ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಷೇಧ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಅದು ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಅದು ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿದೀವಿ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಕೇಸ್ ಬುಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
Meanwhile, remember, it's not just his own minister. The medical body in the country has been fact-checking Chief Minister Siddaramaiah as well. The ICMR has fact-checked Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, saying that there is no link between vaccines and reports of sudden death, something that Siddaramaiah had questioned. Also saying that COVID-19 vaccines in India are safe and effective, and such claims should not be made by a sitting chief minister. The ICMR also said underlying health issues play a crucial role in sudden deaths. Remember, comorbidities and underlying health conditions, vulnerabilities can lead to such cardiac arrests as well. Another counter that the medical body has given is that unfounded claims could contribute to vaccine hesitancy, and that is something we do not want in this country. But remember, it's not just the state's own panel. The Union Health Ministry had also allayed concerns, saying there is no evidence to suggest that COVID vaccine is causing sudden deaths. Citing extensive studies by the ICMR and the National Center for Disease Control, the Health Ministry had said that the issue has been looked into by multiple agencies and that the claims were unfounded. Now, the Congress finds itself on the back foot, and they are saying that the government just wanted clarity.
ಬರೀ ಹಾಸನ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಡೀ ರಾಜ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಆಂಟಿ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ವ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿನೇಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ತೆರೆ ಎಳಿತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಮಿಟಿಗಳು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾವೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ನೆನ್ನೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಟಿವಿ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವುಗಳೇ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರಿ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸಿ.ಎನ್. ಮಂಜುನಾಥ್ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ನೋಡಿದ್ರಿ. ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಅವರು, ಈಗ ಹಾಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ರವೀಂದ್ರನಾಥ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೂಡ ಪತ್ರಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ, ನೆನ್ನೆನೂ ಕೂಡ ಟಿವಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ, ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಅಂತಿಮ ಆದ ಮೇಲೆ ನಿಖರವಾದಂತಹ ಕಾರಣಗಳನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕೂಡ ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಬಹುದು.
It has been observed by every single person, whether in India or elsewhere, that the number of heart attacks, the number of incidences of heart attack have increased exponentially ever since the vaccine has been introduced. And this is something which is unassailable, irrefutable, right? Whether there is linkage which the medical community knows now or whether it is not, the people are speaking about this issue, and it is necessary for the Chief Minister, when in merely 40 days, when 23 people have died and most of them are very youthful, then I think it is necessary for a detailed examination on the subject.
With that, it's time for a short break. News and updates continue on